Hey guys, so a lot of you would have these issues when installing Windows 11 or 10 on the new generation's laptops. You come to Windows install and then there's no driver. Obviously there's a hard drive or SSD drive, but there is not showing up. What you want to do, you want to change some settings in the BIOS. So the way to do that is just go back. The BIOS obviously for Dell is F2. Storage and each laptop layout is slightly different, so what you want to find, it's mostly on the storage or disk management, something like that. So you want to press the AHCI. On the RAID it doesn't work, so obviously you have to do that. Change from RAID to AHCI. Hit the apply, okay. Exit and then boot back into the USB. Okay, sometimes you have to do that. Alright, that's your SSD. That option has to be enabled in order for the SSD installation to work. Alright, cheers.